Peebles, and I'm the founder of TekSupportSpy LLC. Are you tired of sitting on an 800 number waiting for tech support help? Are you tired of waiting on the phone lines for hours or 30 minutes waiting for someone to help you out for a tech support issue? Frustrate no more. TekSupportSpy offers tech support service not by 800 number, but by appointment. TekSupportSpy wants to be your personal IT guy or personal technical support person or resource. You can go to TekSupportSpy, look at the times for our tech support sessions, and choose a time that best works for you. And we'll call you, not you calling us, we call you to help you troubleshoot and fix your issue. And get this, at the same time that we try to troubleshoot and fix your issue, we'll also train you on how we fixed it and how we troubleshooted the issue to come to a resolution. We'll also give you notes on the fly. We'll type up notes on the fly on our end. Once we get done with our 60-minute tech support session with you, we'll then email you your notes that you can have for reference later. One of the things with TekSupportSpy is that we don't want you to call us and we want to hurry up and fix your issue and get you off the phone. We want to be that virtual, dedicated IT guy for you. So when we contact you based off you signing up for a tech support session, we'll call you. We even do a Zoom call with you. You don't have to do a Zoom call with us. You don't have to be on camera, but we want to be able to do that personal connection with you so that we can be that personal virtual IT guy for you that's troubleshooting and fixing your issue. And at the same time, training you if you do choose to allow us to train you on how we fix that issue. You get 60 minutes, 60, let me say it again, 60 minutes of our time of us providing you tech support and training you and basically creating notes for you on the fly since you have something to refer back to later. One of the things is with TekSupportSpy is that we want to be that dedicated IT person or that dedicated IT guy for you virtually. Most of our tech support sessions are done via Zoom. You don't have to be on Zoom, you don't have to be on camera, we can just talk to you and be able to guide you. We do use remote software. We have to remote into your computer using Zoho Assist, and we'll troubleshoot your issue. If you choose to do so, we'll also train you and give you notes on us training you and showing you how we resolved and troubleshooted that issue. We also have you download Zoho Assist to your phone so that if we need to see something on your end, you have the app. You have the app on your phone, and then you can show us what you're looking at so that we can then guide you and say, hey, plug in that cord into that port, or take that RAM stick out, or unscrew that screw there. We can give you guidance based off you showing us on your end what you're seeing, and we can guide you. If you want to have a dedicated tech support resource, go to TekSupportSpy.com, sign up for a tech support session. We'll call you and give you 60 minutes of our time and train you on how to troubleshoot that issue. Go to TekSupportSpy.com.